Today we'll talk more about food. In our last video, we have talked about the impact of our thoughts on food, and in this video we'll know more about it. So if food is there in front of you, then please have food. Instead of keep food waiting, just have it on the spot, because it happens many times. Say for example, food is there right in front and we are busy with working something with, or maybe we are talking to someone, or maybe we are roaming here and there, but food is open, it's there only. So please don't do these things. Actually, whenever people they do thing like this, actually they disrespect food. So please do not keep food waiting. If you keep food waiting for a long time, actually in that time what happens, whatever energies are there around, negative energies if are there, then actually they get stick to that food, and whatever negative energy are there in food, that person have all those negative energies along with that food, which is again never a good thing. So that is why it happens. If you have food which is not good, which is again full of negative energy because of any reason, after immediately having food you don't feel good, you feel heavy. So the best way to have food is like, first thing what I said, just cook food in the remembrance of Almighty God, and cut vegetables and cook food, all those things. And then after that, while having, the moment when you get food right in front of you, immediately have that food in the remembrance of God again. Because as we have talked about, that whatever feeling we have, whatever energy we create, whatever thing we have in our mind, actually we create those energies. So if you are thinking something related to God, something that you are trying to connect yourself with God, which means again you are creating a spiritual energy. So while having, if you keep yourself connected with Him, then those spiritual energy you are mixing with food, and again you are having that same spiritual energy, which again will give you lots of strength, which again will give you positive energy, so that you can release negative and unwanted energies from your body, from your energy body. Okay, and a few more things are there. While having food, you are supposed to sit straight. It happens in many cases, like people they food in any body posture, but let me tell you that each and every body posture has effect on our mind. If we are sitting straight with our spine erect, then that has a positive effect on our mind. But on the other hand, if we are sitting just like we are sitting on chair, or maybe we are lying down, or maybe lean against wall, or maybe we are just standing, or maybe our body posture is not up to the mark. I have seen people having food while lying on the bed also. So each and every our body posture affect our mind. So just make sure that whenever you have food, sit properly, and if possible for you, then sit properly on ground. And then what will happen here, say for example, food is there right in front of you and you are sitting with your spine erect and you are having food in the remembrance of Almighty, then that food will serve your purpose. What I mean to say is that food will give you the proper amount of positive energy. That food will help to release the unwanted negative energy from your body. You will feel from inside that yes, you are feeling good, especially after having food.